Hi, this is DID. Napoleon Bonaparte, a great French military strategist and politician, was also the founder of the First French Empire. As a military leader, he personally participated in over 60 battles throughout his life, fighting to expand his empire driven by his immense ambition, and was crowned emperor in 1804. DID proudly brings you the 1/6-scale Emperor of French, Napoleon Bonaparte. Let's take a look at what's inside and how to assemble him. To lifelike head sculptures with serious and determined expressions. The collar has exquisite embroidery. The deep blue uniform features clearly visible gold thread embroidery patterns. Designed with real buttons. Gold thread embroidered cuffs. The uniform has a split-tail design. Inside is a waistcoat and shirt, designed with hidden snap buttons, adjustable for fit. White pants, with real pockets on both sides, adjustable for fit, with real buttons, and Velcro. Black genuine leather boots, with detailed soles and movable spurs. Napoleon's black bicorn hat. Napoleon's metal saber. The patterns on the saber are clearly visible. Single-barrel telescope with real lenses. Belt featuring exquisite patterns. French imperial waist sash, red cape, cravat, button tool, 3 pairs of palms, meticulously crafted with a rich array of accessories. Next, let's assemble together 1/6-scale French Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. How could you miss out on such a well-equipped and exquisitely crafted 1/6-scale Napoleon?